The evocative concept of the art of serenity transcends a simple tagline. It accurately captures the sophisticated design ethos that governs this remarkable, modern, tiny dwelling on wheels. This movable architectural achievement represents a deliberate and profound philosophical commitment to a lifestyle that consciously elevates tranquility and intentionality over the burdensome demands of material accumulation. Unlike the stationary restrictions inherent in conventional residential structures, this mobile sanctuary uniquely excels by effortlessly fusing high-end contemporary design with the unparalleled flexibility and freedom afforded by a structure mounted upon a durable trailer chassis. Externally, the home projects a strikingly sophisticated presence, frequently utilizing features such as dark, commanding vertical siding, a sleek, definitive monopitch roofline, and vast areas of architectural glazing. The result is a distinctive, elegant object that conveys a feeling of permanence and luxury comparable to a traditional house, yet holds the thrilling potential for unending adventure and an infinitely changing scenic backdrop. Stepping across the threshold reveals the true genius behind the art of serenity. The interior architecture functions as a brilliant demonstration of minimalist yet meticulous design, where every dimension is ruthlessly scrutinized and optimized to eliminate visual clutter and decisively maximize the perception of openness and space. A crucial element in achieving this effect is the elevated ceiling height, often cleverly engineered through structural innovations like a subtly lowered floor or a well-designed roof profile, complemented by the consistent application of light-reflecting materials such as crisp, whitewashed shiplap and seamlessly smooth, naturally finished woodwork, together cultivating an atmosphere that is both airy and profoundly calming. The dwelling invariably adopts an open-plan arrangement, which guarantees that the abundant natural light streaming in from the enormous picture windows and strategically placed skylights fully penetrates the entire volume of the home, thus powerfully strengthening the fundamental visual and sensory connection between the private living quarter and the majestic surrounding natural landscape. Furthermore, the maintenance of order and efficiency hinges on the intelligent deployment of transformative, multi-use furnishings. Dining surfaces elegantly fold away into the walls, seating units cleverly conceal expansive storage drawers, and integrated specialized mechanical systems, like a sleeping platform that smoothly ascends to the ceiling, facilitate the effortless reconfiguration of the space as functional needs shift between day and night. Beyond mere surface beauty, this modern tiny house on wheels is an impressive exhibition of sophisticated, concealed engineering specifically designed to substantially enhance comfort and long-term functionality. Delving past the immediate, pleasing aesthetics, one might uncover a range of ingenious, custom-fabricated components focused on both utility and surprise. These innovations frequently encompass features such as a discreetly recessed, full-sized residential shower, a highly efficient automated climate control or ventilation system, or even a remarkable dual-unit coupling mechanism capable of flawlessly merging two separate trailer modules into a single, cohesive, and significantly more spacious dwelling.